bite out? Give me open them. Do you want another butter?
Our programming is requesting the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Denton and northeastern Tarrant counties until 6 p.m. Severe thunderstorm located over Keller about 5:30, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. This storm indicates 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for Denton and Tarrant counties. Severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 6 o'clock for southwestern Denton and northeastern Tarrant counties, not far from DFW Airport. Severe thunderstorm located near Keller, South Lake, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind.